You want to win over 25-year-olds? Think mobile first. This generation practically lives on their phones. They scroll through Instagram, catch up on TikTok and chat with friends, all on the go. Ignore the power of mobile and you'll miss out on a huge opportunity. Your website needs to be sleek and easy to navigate on a small screen. No one wants to pinch and zoom their way through a clunky website. Make sure your content is designed for mobile consumption. Short videos, eye-catching graphics and bite-sized text are your best friends. Remember, attention spans are short. You need to grab their interest in seconds. Don't underestimate the power of social media advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target your audience with laser precision. Zero in on 25-year-olds in your niche and deliver ads that resonate with their interests and aspirations. Social media is your secret weapon to unlocking the 25-year-old market. Forget traditional advertising. This generation lives and breathes social media. They discover new products, connect with brands, and share their experiences all online. Be present where your audience is. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and whatever comes next. Each platform has its own vibe, so tailor your content accordingly. Don't just broadcast your message, start conversations, engage with your followers, respond to comments, and show that you're listening. Authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be real, be relatable, and build a genuine connection with your audience. 25-year-olds are busy. They're juggling work, relationships, and maybe even a side hustle or two. Your product or service needs to make their lives easier, not more complicated. What problems keep them up at night? What pain points can you eliminate? Identify those pain points and position your product as the solution. Convenience is king. Can they order your product with a single tap? Can they access your service from anywhere? Make it frictionless and they'll keep coming back for more. Think about all the things that stop someone from buying your product. Is it the price, the shipping costs, the fear of missing out on a better deal? Address these objections head on. Offer free shipping, money-back guarantees, or exclusive discounts for first-time buyers. Make it a no-brainer for them to choose you. Customer service is paramount. Make sure your team is responsive, helpful, and available on the channels your audience prefers. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer. And in the age of social media, word-of-mouth marketing is more powerful than ever.